Well, Switzerland is full of these places for riding that are really great and that I don't really know, and traveling here with a train is a great way to see the beauty of Switzerland, and especially this year with all the snow.
We started building trains and really getting a system, a network of trains that went through the whole country as early as I think the 1880s or so. And then they began looking at how to reach some of these really inaccessible alpine areas and villages that had become resorts. It was really the best way to bring tourists to places like Zermatt, St Moritz, Davos. Before there was really any kind of chairlift systems being built in the Alps, people started thinking about, wow, we can actually take our skis up there and ski down. And if you look at it as a means of transportation, it's a beautiful way to see the country. But you can also look at it as kind of like the world's greatest ski lift.
Well, we started in Zermatt, rode a bit there, then we went to Zermatt, rode a bit there as well, and now we're in St Moritz for the final, for the end of the trip basically. The conditions were super promising, and then we've had this late wind that has kind of hammered a lot, but yeah, it's not as epic as it could be, but it's been cool.
wünscht Ihnen eine angenehme Fahrt. Stimavi viaggiators, il personal della via Fira Matterhorn-Gotthard beneventa-vos el tren Tursera-Batz understeh videovisavos in vivial.
Traveling through these old trails through the mountains kind of, reveals the whole history of all these ski resorts in Switzerland, and it's pretty beautiful actually.
Switzerland is famous for its trains, just like it's famous for chocolate and watches and little red knives, It really is sort of a way to travel sort of in like a time gone by where, if you're not in a big hurry and you want to just sort of kick back and take in the views over the course of a day, or you can spread it out, over the course of a week or a couple of weeks like we did.
After traveling all the time, you start to realize I'm traveling across the world to this place that is maybe good, maybe not, when just around my place I've got the best stuff I could ever dream to. So, and in the Alps we've got like the possibility to show different way of snowboarding, different perspective, different approach of the mountains, and you're so much more efficient. And you know your place, your terrain, all the accesses, the ways to scout. You're on it way more. It seems that last year I spent my time riding big lines and stuff and not really jumping much. And yeah, this year I really have a lot of fun doing mini golf and jumping. It kind of gives me back this sort of confidence, and I'm enjoying it a lot too. I think the jumping is a part of snowboarding that really excites me a lot.
We've had a really, really snowy winter in the Alps this year, And right as this trip started, a big high pressure came in, really cold Arctic front that was about -25 for a solid 2 weeks. We got a little bit of wind right at the beginning as well, and that sort of made conditions a bit funky, but you can poke around and eventually find something, which is what we wound up doing.
On the way back home, it's been a great train trip.
Hello, I'll take a picture, yeah? Hello, just stand there, I'll take a picture of you, yeah?
Okay.